Have you ever looked at an old sweatshirt sitting in your closet and thought its story was over? What if that oversized, faded, forgotten sweatshirt was actually one DIY project away from becoming something completely different? Today, we are diving into 50 plus upcycled sweatshirt ideas that might make you look at your closet in a whole new way. I was scrolling through Pinterest and found some seriously creative ideas that took ordinary sweatshirts and transformed them into things I never would have expected. From cozy fashion pieces and stylish redesigns to creative projects that made me stop and think, hold on, that used to be a sweatshirt. Every idea I'm sharing today was found while scrolling Pinterest, and I have the Pinterest board linked in the description so you can check out the inspiration and patterns for yourself. Some of these ideas are simple and clever, some are surprisingly creative, and some honestly feel like somebody's sewing machine drank an extra cup of coffee and got wildly ambitious. As you watch, I want you to vote in the comments for your favorite idea because once we hit 100 votes on one favorite, I might recreate it in my own style with my own twist. There is something really satisfying about taking something forgotten and turning it into something exciting because creativity has a funny way of seeing possibility where other people only see old fabric. Have you ever noticed how quickly we decide something has reached the end of its usefulness? A sweatshirt gets a little faded, maybe the sleeves stretch out, maybe there is a tiny stain near the cuff, maybe the style just does not feel like us anymore. And suddenly it gets pushed farther and farther into the back of the closet. It quietly hangs there while newer clothes take over the front row. It is funny because most of us do not even think twice about it. We look at it and think, well, that was nice while it lasted. Story over. But creativity sees something completely different. Creativity walks into a closet and starts asking questions. What if this is not the ending? What if this is actually the beginning of something else? What if the sweatshirt that looked worn out still had something left to give? That is where second chances become really interesting, because sometimes they create beauty we never expected to see. I was scrolling Pinterest and finding sweatshirt ideas that honestly made me stop and stare because some of these transformations looked impossible. Sweatshirts were becoming redesigned tops, layered fashion pieces, stylish cropped looks, patchwork designs, cozy cardigans, and completely reimagined clothing ideas that looked nothing like where they started. Some were so creative that if somebody handed them to me without context, I never would have guessed they started as a sweatshirt. The amazing thing is the original piece did not disappear. It simply changed into something new. Its story kept going. That is the cool thing about upcycling because it teaches us to stop seeing endings everywhere. Instead of saying this is old, we start saying what could this become? Instead of saying this is finished, we start asking what comes next. Suddenly, possibilities begin showing up in places we never expected. The really interesting thing is that unexpected beauty often shows up where nobody was looking. We sometimes think beautiful fashion has to come from expensive stores, brand new materials, or perfectly planned designs. But some of the most interesting clothing pieces happen because somebody looked at an old sweatshirt and decided it deserved another chance. There is something powerful about that, because every second chance carries possibility with it. Sometimes a faded sweatshirt becomes more interesting after its transformation than it ever was before. Sometimes a stretched sleeve becomes part of a completely new design. Sometimes the little imperfections become part of the personality of the finished piece. Sometimes the thing that almost got forgotten becomes the thing people notice first. That is why upcycling feels like more than cutting and sewing fabric together. It feels like creating opportunities for things to continue their story. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe, because we are always finding creative ways to turn ordinary things into something exciting and wearable. I also have tutorial videos linked below, along with other sewing and upcycling videos you might enjoy watching after this one. I will also leave helpful products below, like sewing machines, sewing machine needles, fabric tools, and supplies that can make your projects easier. The next time you open your closet and see an old sweatshirt hanging there, imagine it raising its little sleeve and saying, "Excuse me, I am not finished yet." Keep watching, because there are more creative ideas coming up. And when this video is over, make sure you watch the next video waiting for you, because I will see you there.